the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.